What's up, everybody? This is James Harris with Southside Dents and Cosmetics. Today I've got this Buick Enclave behind me with a door ding on it. I'm going to show you how we repair it, what tools we use, and how we gain access so that those door dings don't have to be an eyesore for you anymore. All right, let's get started. All right, here's the first look at our dent. And as you can see, whenever you put it underneath the light, it looks a little bit bigger, a little bit deeper. So we're going to circle it so that you guys know where I'm working in the video. In here, I just put in a window wedge and a window guard so that I could put a tool in between the window and the back side of the door as I push. The window guard just protects the glass from scratching and breaking. And here you can see how I'm going to push this metal. I'm going to twist my tool, and all of these little pinches that you see, these lines coming together in the dent's reflection, those are all pushes. So on this particular dent, we're talking about a few hundred pushes to get this dent all the way out. You're going to see me rotate my line board a lot, and the reason for that is because as you work a dent and it starts to come up, it may look like it's done. However, you always have to cross-check yourself and make sure that you're pushing the entire dent. My goal here is to bring all of the metal up evenly and maybe to over push a little bit. When something's this tight, I tend to over push and go back and knock the metal down, open the dent back up, and push it out again. So you'll see me move my line board, do some pushing, do some over pushing, and then tap down. Right here, I'm going to put a little bit of buffing compound on this dent. There was a small scratch in it that I probably should have buffed before I even got started. It was impeding my vision a little bit, and I thought that it might, so I definitely should have done that at the beginning, but you live and you learn. And so there was some tapping down, opening this dent back up so that I could continue to push out the center. With the depth of this particular dent, it definitely factored into the cost. Whenever we price dents, we take a lot into consideration. It's not all about size. We take into account the depth of the dent, the type of metal it is, the location on the panel, whether it's on a body line or close to an edge. So on this particular dent, it was a little bit more expensive just because of the depth, but when you see the end product, I'm sure you'll agree that it's definitely worth it. Here's some of those big over pushes that I was talking about. Stretching that metal out a little bit, tap it down, open it back up. Move my line board so that I can see my high spots from a different angle. Tap those down. Give it some more pushes before we go into another knockdown session. Here we'll clean off the marker from where we circled the dent and give you guys a look at the final product. There it is. No more dent, no more eyesore.